Carbohydrates. Polysaccharides such as starches begin digestion in the mouth due to salivary amylase, which is chemical digestion. The starches get broken down into disaccharides. Once in the small intestine, the polysaccharides get broken down into disaccharides because of the pancreatic amylase that gets transported from the pancreas into the small intestine. The disaccharides go through final breakdown through contact digestion with the brush borders of the microvilli that contain lactase, maltase, and sucrase, which break down the carbohydrates. This turns the disaccharides into monosaccharides, which are then absorbed into the capillaries. Proteins. Protein begins digestion in the stomach due to pepsin. In the stomach, parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid and chief cells secrete pepsinogen. Hydrochloric acid activates pepsinogen, which converts to pepsin and breaks down proteins into small chains of peptides that move into the small intestine. The trypsin, chymotrypsin, and carboxypeptidase is transported into the small intestine from the pancreas and breaks down the peptides into dipeptides. The dipeptides go through contact digestion with the brush borders of the microvilli because they contain peptidase, which breaks them down further into amino acids. Amino acids are then absorbed into the capillaries. Lipids. Fats begin digestion in the stomach due to lingual and gastric lipase. Parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid and chief cells secrete gastric lipase. The hydrochloric acid activates lingual lipase. Once activated, lingual lipase breaks down fats with gastric lipase that was secreted by the chief cells. The fats move into the small intestine where they are emulsified by bile salts that originally come from the liver. Pancreatic lipase that is transported from the pancreas to the small intestine breaks down triglycerides into monoglycerides and fatty acids. These digested lipids are bundled and transported in the form of micelles into the lacteals where they are absorbed. Water is then absorbed into the capillaries.